There you are. Thought I'd find you in here. Been looking for you all day. Should have known to look in my bed. Not surprised to find you all cuddled up. But I'm hurt, baby. Wounded. Why didn't you tell me you were going to be staked out up in here? Would have joined you in a heartbeat. Babe? Did I get you sleeping or something? I'm fine? Yeah, I don't think so. What up with you? I can't hear you when you're buried in the blankets like that. Look at me. Oh, shit. Have you been crying? Don't you dare lie to me. I can tell. Your cheeks are all red. Your eyes are all puffy, too. Fuck. Did someone say something to you? Who was it? Was it one of those fucking scumbag locals? Tell me who it was, babe, and I will... No one said nothing to you? Well then, what the hell happened? I didn't do anything wrong, did I? Because if I did, I'm sorry. I'm a fucking knucklehead sometimes, I know, and... What? It's not me. Then what? You? What do you mean it's you? Whoa, don't start crying. Hey, it's okay. Shh, come here. I got you. It's all right. I'm here. You ain't gonna talk about it if you don't want to. I got you, princess. Come here. Here, put my jacket on. I know how much you like to wear it. No, princess, I don't mind. You nab my jacket every other chance you get. Why is now any different? Besides, you always talking about how much you like it. Annoying? Why the fuck would I think you're annoying? Whoa, hey now, I'm sorry. Here, scooch over. Let me get in there. There we go. Come here. Come closer. Yeah, that should be working, but... I can't work knowing my little honeybee is down in the dumps like this now, can I? What? You like that nickname? Oh. Was that a smile? My precious little princess. My sweet little honeybee. My amazing baby girl. There we go. Music to my ears and a pretty picture to match. Feeling better? Yeah? A bit? Hey, how's about I get us some cocoa, huh? Whoa! So, I'm guessing that's a no on the cocoa. You wanna stay like this? Yeah, baby, that's just fine. We can stay like this as long as you need. Coming in real close, huh? Nah, sweetness. In fact, I don't think you were close enough. There we go. Perfect. You can hear my heartbeat. Yeah? You like that? Relax, sweetheart. Get some rest. I'll stay right here.